Yo, good morning. It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. You know what we do? We support soil biology. We want to help you have a better, healthier, happier environment, healthier community. And check out what we are going to do today. I'm going to throw some other clips behind here to show you the mixing of the soil. You know, we're going to put together the whole process today because I see it all the time. People trying to fix their lawns. They don't know what to do. Like, it's a hot mess out there. There's a lot of information. There's a lot of bogus information. But check it out. What we're going to do, we're going to have this right here. Okay. This is Humates Plus Microlife Hybrid. We're about to put it down with the big old Eco Lawn 250 spreader. Yeah, baby. And gonna do our thing. Gonna do a little bit of deep root feeding on these trees today with the hippie juice. Just gonna let it loose. Gonna do our thing. Gonna support soil biology, everybody. We want everything to be healthy and happy. We want to move forward in a way that promotes a healthy, happier environment and ecosystem, right? Because we all share the air. Thank you very much. Peace.
Look at that. Getting a mix, getting a blend. Gotta love it. That's what we do. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, look at the blend. Just want to share this with y'all. Little mix, baby. Helps me tremendously in my spreading process.
Deep root feeding. Now, I will say, okay, in this video, we're feeding the tree. We're giving it all the good hippie juice stuff. Ideally, though, you'd want to take off all this mulch around the tree, clean up around the root flare. Sorry about the pump noise. I know it's loud. And so typically you do like a 1.5, 2 foot grid around a tree. Some say, you know, you want to do it out so far out past the tree line. It kind of varies. I know we are giving it the goodness. Yeah, so the customer said after we take off, he's going to have his landscaper come out and take off that mulch. I don't know if you could see the ground rise. When we're doing this, it rises a little bit. Just trying to give it all the goodness, yo. Ooh. Like, looking like some black tar coming out of there. Oh, the goodness. Oh, the goodness. Alright, that's it for that clip of the video. Thank you guys. Coming back at you.
Like that?
So, we're wrapping up on a 3 lawn restoration package job. So because we can adjust what we put in the tank, we didn't put down 3 tanks, but we did put down 2. Okay, 100-gallon super saturation. We also did a deep root feeding on these trees. There's 2 more in the back. Put down 3 cubic yards of a blend of soil. I like to use a bed mix mixed with an enriched topsoil because of the organic matter, the sandy blend, the nutrients, the minerals. It's just loaded with the goodness. All right, we are here in Hidden Lakes on Calito Pass. All right, and we'll be following back up because I'm real excited about what we put down. I need to get some permission on a couple things before I reveal some stuff to you. and also we want to see what happens first, right? But when we come back here in a few weeks, we're going to see what this lawn restoration is all about. Sorry, you know, new construction, there's always got to be a taco truck running around somewhere. We're down here south of Houston in Texas. Gotta love taco trucks. Anyways, you know, I'm super excited about what we did, about the application, everything we put down. I'm very anxious to see what happens. It is July 1st, 2020, all right? These results, everyone gets scared sometimes. What are we gonna do in the summertime? It's too hot, it's too this, it's too that. Well, yeah, it's always too hot and a bad idea to put down some weed and feed, some turf builder, all that BS, all right? But when you're using things that focus on one thing, supporting soil biology, all right? You can fear a whole lot less. You don't have to sweat as bad as I am right now over what you did, because natural, good, healthy products do not burn the lawn and your trees and your plants in the peak heat of this lovely Texas summer, because we are in the South. So if you're looking up lawn care videos or you're trying to find out good information, know what you're working with, what you're trying to solve, and because the better you identify what you have going on, the better you can tackle your problems, right? We have primarily St. Augustine grass in this lovely Gulf Coast southern weather. That means mow that grass high. We have clay soils. We have a few conditions that are not like other places. Northern cool season grasses aren't the same. Bermuda is not the same. Fescue is not the same. Zoysia, even though people say certain things, you know, they want to treat it all the same, it is not. So we treat this like St. Augustine, because that's what it is. We treat it like we're in the southern Gulf Coast, Texas, because that's where we are. Alright? Not the same thing is going to work everywhere. We want to do for what works here, and you need to do what is going to work for you in your specific area, zone, and location. Thank you very much. We will be back, and remember, nobody knows grass like a hippie.